Okay, boys, listen up. Tomorrow I'm getting fired.
What? Why?
He finally found out that I slept with his daughter.
You're the man, brother.
Noise.
So tomorrow he will fire me, but don't worry, I'll make sure I will go in style.
Yeah, bro. He always had it out for you. Even when your grandma was in her deathbed, he didn't let you see her.
So tomorrow I need you both to come in late. My plan will make the news.
This should be interesting.
Hi Horseface, come on in.
You wanted to see me?
Well, no need to beat around the bush. You need to gather your crap. You're getting canned.
You finally found out I slept with your daughter.
Oh yes. I knew about that. And that's exactly why I promised you a raise, so I can take it away. You worthless garbage.
Oh yeah? You like dogs, don't you? Cause your daughter seems to like doggy style.
Oh yeah. I made you work extra when your grandma was sick. We had no project on that day.
I tipped that guy to poison your birthday cake last year.
Get out of my office. I will make sure to ruin your reputation in the industry. You will never find work again.
I'm going. By the way, did you eat those cupcakes in the morning? Cause there's a little surprise in it for you there. Gonna do. AI was gonna take my job anyway.
Don't worry, bro. You will find a better job. At least you put the boss in his place.
Dude, you made the news. Check it out, bro. You made the first page and the stock went down.
Prank drops stock. Employee give diarrhea to a whole office.
That's hilarious and very smart. You poisoned the cupcakes. The whole company smells like a deuce.
That's a story to remember.